गुरुं गुरुगौरकिशोरकदास्य परं परमादृत भक्ति विनोद पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं प्रभुरूप सनातन कीर्तिधरं धरणीतल कीर्तित जीव कविं कविराज नरोत्तम सत्य पदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं कृपया हरिवैभवमूरभुवं भुवनेषु विकीर्तित गौरदयं दयनीयगणार्पितं गौरपदं प्रणमामि सदा तरुधीकृत धीरपदान्यवरं वरदेन्द्र गणार्चित दिव्यपदं प्रणमामि सदा प्रभुपादपदं परहंस वरं परमार्थपतिं पतितोद्धरणे कृतवेशयतिं यतिराजगणे परिसेव्यपदं जय भक्ति सिद्धांत जय प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत जय प्रभुपाद जय भक्ति सिद्धांत जय प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत जय प्रभुपाद प्रभुपाद तुम्हारी जय जय हो 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 प्रभुपाद सभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtotara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, after Navadvip Dham Parikrama, yesterday we arrived in Jagannath Puri and Purushottam Dham. And yesterday I briefly also explained the glories of Purushottam Dham, Jagannath Mahima also, the glory of Lord Jagannath. Actual Jadaguru Srila Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada, he is the origin who established all the Gaudiya Math all over the world. प्रथम जितने भी आप मठ देख रहे हैं, गौड़ीय मठ देख रहे हैं, इस गौड़ीय मठ के आकर समझते हो, मूल जो है आचार्य प्रतिष्ठता भक्ति सिद्धांत शिल सरस्वती प्रभुपाद, उनकी गण जो है आश्रित जन जो है देश विदेश में पृथ्वी के सर्वत्र जाकर के प्रभुपाद के वाणी तथा राधा गोविंद चैतन्य महाप्रभु के वाणी को सर्वत्र प्रचार किया और मठ मंदिर स्थापना की. समझ में आई? So Bhakti Siddhanta Srila Prabhupada, he is the origin and Acharya of all Gaudiya Math, and all his disciples. They also travel all around the world and preach the message of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And now we are looking all over the world, different devotees, different devotees. They have come from different parts of the world. आइए महाराज जी, दंडवत प्रणाम. हाँ अंदर আসুন, এখানে আসুন. হ্যাঁ, কথা তো বলবার জন্য এসেছি আমি, বিনা কথাতে. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ अभी देखेंगे ना, अंदर जगह था बैठने जगह. हॉल है पूरा, अंदर स्पेस. अरे उनका भी तो उतना ही लोग है. तो खड़े होके अच्छा. हाँ, व्हाट डिड आई से, क्या बोला था? होल वर्ल्ड. Actually, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he is the original Acharya and established all of the Gaudiya Math. And all his followers, they also preach all over the world. Now we are looking, that many devotees are coming different part of the world. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, actually, he is the son of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur was district magistrate at that when British government ruled in India. That time Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he was staying in Odisha, and he was the district magistrate. Maybe after 2-3 days we will go the birthplace of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, and also the residence, the place of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that is Bhaktivinoda Bhavan, and at the Chaitanya Math now situated that place. And one day we will go the birthplace of Bhaktisiddhanta Srila Prabhupada. So Bhaktisiddhanta Srila Prabhupada, आ जाओ महाराज जी, इधर आ जाओ, इधर आ जाओ, आ जाओ. थोड़ा आप भी बोलो, हम भी बोलेंगे, अच्छा रहेगा.
महाराज जी हिंदी में बोलना. इंग्लिश क्यों दीप ना हो जाए? हिंदी.
आ जाओ सब.
You speak English.
हिंदी.
वन बाय वन.
अच्छा, मैं 10 मिनट बोल देता हूँ.
हिंदी इंग्लिश.
सब बैठ जाओ.
आप बैठ जाओ.
बैठ जा सब. इधर बैठ, जंगल में बैठ जा.
जहाँ जाके मिले वहाँ बैठ.
हाँ, सामने आ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. हाँ. So Bhaktisiddhanta Srila Prabhupada, he also established this temple just within, that is called Purushottam Math, this here, and this is also his Bhajan Kutir. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, you just saw his Bhajan Kutir, and very nice, beautiful place. Actually, this place is called Chatak Parvat also. And Parvat means mountain. And that time you have the heap of sand, and full of sand is there. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, and nearby also there is the banyan tree, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, I think this is called Bangsi Bhat. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come in Tota Gopinath, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira, and every day he used to come here because Gadadhar Pandit was staying, and we also discuss about Gadadhar Pandit Katha. And Tota Gopinath, when we will go Tota Gopinath, then we will discuss this thing. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come here, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is Vrindavan, because this is Chatak Parva, that means Giriraj Govardhan. And Bangsi Bhat, that is called Vrindavan, where Krishna played the flute and called all the gopis. And this ocean, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this is called Jamuna. And so in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in same mood of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, so for the Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he was staying here. And also, and so many times,
अंदर बैठ जा.
ecstatic mood manifests in his
Sit
heart.
down inside. बैठ जा.
अरे आप come, everybody come here.
बोले वृंदावन में बैठ जाओ. वृंदावन.
अरे this is Vrindavan, Giriraj Govardhan. Everybody come, please come here, more photo. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same mood of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he performed bhajan and sadhana here, and teaching to us. Now his message spread all over the world. For this regard you have come. So Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he established one thing that is called Daiva Varna Ashram Dharma. That means Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna says, क्या बोले? चातुर्वर्ण माया सिस्टम गुण कर्म विभागस. The varna and ashram will be recognized according his sabhav nature. Brahman son will not become Brahmana if he has no Brahman qualification. And Sudra son will not become the Sudra if he has no Sudra qualification. And in the same way, doctor son will not become doctor if he has no qualification, doctor certificate. In the same way, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada established these things. And he also, mainly he established one thing that is called Goshtanandi Bhajan. In our bhajan, two kinds of bhajan. One is called Goshtanandi, another is called Bhajananandi. Before Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, most of all the Gaudiya, all the Acharyas, Rup Sanatan, all they are called, what are they called? Bhajananandi. Bhajananandi means those who perform bhajan and sadhana himself, not giving attention to others, and absorb their Nam Sankirtan, writing books, these things, and absorb in Ashtakalin Lila. Sankha Purvaka Nama Gana Nativi Kal Avasana Kritu Nidra Ahara Viharga Vijita Chatandu Radha Krishna Gunasmiti Madhurima Ananda Sanmahito Bande Rupa Sanatanu Raghujugo. And our 6 Goswamis, they completely absorbed their own bhajan and sadhana. And they sometimes they wrote granthas and these things. But Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, when he appeared, then he thinking, they only I am do bhajan and sadhana, then other people they will not get benefit. As like Nrsimhadev gave benediction to Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj, what did he say? Prayena deva munayo sabhimukta kama maunang charanti vicharena pararthanistha. And Prahlad Maharaj told, oh my Lord Nrsimhadev, and you give me one benediction. Prayena deva munayo sabhimukta kama. That means those who perform bhajan and sadhana for their own liberation, mukti, they are called selfish. But you give me one benediction, I will do bhajan and sadhana, and also to engage to others how they will bhajan and sadhana. So Goshtanandi means one who perform bhajan and sadhana and also helping to others. That is called Goshtanandi. And for this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta, Srila Saraswati Prabhupada, he established many temples and also Namhatta, as like Bhakti Vinod Thakur established the Namhatta, and he preached and also printed many books. This is very important. Preaching everywhere. And this printing of the books, that is called the Brihat Mridanga. Brihat Mridanga. Mridanga, Brihat Mridanga Seva. If you play the one Mridanga, that sound will go only 5 or 10 meters. But if you print the books and distribute the books everywhere, that will go one corner to the other corner of the world and spread these things. For this regard, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he established these things. First, Varnashram Dharma. That is what is Varnashram Dharma? Could you remember? Kya bola? Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Daiva Dharma means, again you remind you always forget. What will you do? Every year coming and every year forget. No, you are very nice, because if you not forget, you will not listen. You forget, for this regard you are coming and listening. If you remember, if you Pandit, so who will listen my katha? Mahaprabhu, so Sachi Mata told, Murkha ya thaku amar nimai kare.
So you are not remembering, then every year can come. And if remembering, then you not asking Van Maharaj.
Murkha thaku nimai amar ghare. Nimai had to become Murkha, illiterate, and stay in my house. Look, no, you have to learn Shastra. You have to learn. Remember, what did he say? Kya bola? Daiva Varnashram Dharma. Remember this. That means, according to their qualification, guna, they will belong to that Varna and Ashram Dharma. Sannyasi, Banprasthi, Grihastha and Brahmachari, their qualification. And in the same way, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. And according to their qualification, they will belong to that Varna and Asrama. So Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhu established, and he also established another thing I told, that is called the Goshtanandi Bhajan. And this is very important. And another also he cut the Mayavadi, Sahajiya, Sukhi, Vekhi, because that time so many Brahmanas, and that is called Smarta Brahmanas, and Sukhi, Vekhi, they also preach and their own and speculative philosophy. And so but Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada cut all the and established, because most of the people, they also preach their bhajan, their activity at their own business. You know? And just like one day one Vaishnava told, they don't know any mantra. One our Pandit he told, one Brahmana, he also went to the village, the bride and bridegroom marriage ceremony. Well, do you know any Sanskrit mantra? Well, I don't know any Sanskrit mantra. So how did you? Well, I don't know, just I read the Hanuman Chalisa. Then I arrange their marriage ceremony, bride and bridegroom. And village people, they don't know what is mantra, they don't know what is Hanuman Chalisa. Then Pandit, Hanuman, he is for the complete what a brahmachari. So how possible you chant the Hanuman Chalisa mantra and arrange their marriage ceremony? This is a cheating propensity. And you have to learn Shastra. So many Brahmanas, they are no learning Shastra, no any other things. Even they don't know the which mantra, how to chant. For this regard, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he boldly preach and against, actually not against, they are the purified their heart. You have Daiva Varnashram Dharma, how to everybody do perform bhajan and sadhana. So Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he preached here, and always he absorbed and the same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just I told Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, he was staying here, and same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they Chatak Parvat, as well like gopis, they absorbed about Giriraj Govardhan. In the same way, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, when he used to come here, I think Giriraj Govardhan. And remember the slokas, that Srimati Radhika uttered the slok, or the slok. Remember? Hantaya Udri Avala Haridasa Varjo Jadarama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda Manang Tanoti Sahagopaganai Paniyo Sujavasa Kandara Kandamulai. Hence, this sloka is uttered by direct Srimati Radhika own mouth, she uttered this verse. How Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to our beloved Krishna. Without servicing mode, you cannot attain to Lord. Hantaya Adri Avala Haridaso Varjo. Without taking shelter of Giriraj Govardhan, no one can enter in Suddha Bhakti. So everybody come Giriraj Govardhan. Everybody have to take shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. Because Mahater Kripa Vina Kono Karma Bhakti Nai Krishna Bhakti Dure Rahu Kya? Sansar Nahi. Yad Rakhna. And without taking shelter, lotus feet of Mahata, great devotee of Lord, and whatever will take to Krishna Bhakti is very far. Even your Sansara Vasana, desire to enjoying the material sense gratification will be never diminishing. And इसलिए क्या महातेर कृपा बिना कोनो कर्म भक्ति नाय कृष्ण भक्ति दूरे रहो संसार नहीं। जीव के जब तक संसार वासना रहेगा तब तो भक्ति में प्रवेश नहीं कर सकता है। Until and your desire to enjoy sense gratification, you will not able to and to enter in Suddha Bhakti. Your sansar vasana will be when diminishing, then you will slowly attain to Krishna Bhakti. So gopis, they also told this thing, Hanta Udri Avala Haridaso Varjo. Haridas, Giriraj Govardhan, he is the topmost, and Haridas. Haridas means the great devotee of Lord Krishna. Because Giriraj Govardhan, he serves to our beloved Govinda and with his body, mind and speech, as like Gopis Bab, mood same. And because Giriraj Govardhan, he gives everything for the service of Krishna and Brajavasis. And especially when Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodo, during the summer time, when or winter time, when they used to come on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, he gives very nice and cool water, and summertime cool water, and winter times a little bit, what is called? Warm and hot water, warm water is coming. And water, very nice, beautiful waterfalls in there. If you know Giriraj Govardhan, still also somewhere you can see the waterfalls are coming. And also many kinds of fruits Giriraj Govardhan he gives. And many kinds of flowers. And on the top of the Giriraj Govardhan, gopis, they collect the flowers and also they make very nice, beautiful garland and offer to Krishna. And Giriraj Govardhan, he gives also said, on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan, all the cowherd boys and calves and cows, they are taking rest, especially in the summer time. And even Giriraj Govardhan, he gives very nice, beautiful perfume. And Sugandha Silai. And even the, and what is called, Giriraj Govardhan Sila. And take one, and the stone of Giriraj Govardhan Sila, just wrap your hand, you can see very nice, beautiful kumkum color. 7 days will not go out that smell from your hand. Just in front of the Modi Bhavan, when we were staying in the Modi Bhavan, in front that time also with Gurudev, we did Annakudu Maha Mahotsav. Now many trees and so many things are there. Before also there are also the Sugandha Silai. In this way, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, we have to take shelter. Lotus feet of Giriraj Govardhan. Bolo Giriraj Govardhan ki. Actually, now we are sitting here. This is also called Giriraj Govardhan Chatak Prabhat, and also nearby this is called also Tota Gopinath and Bangsi Bhat. Here is a Bangsi Bhat. When you go there also, I think that also that banyan tree maybe disappear. Few years before we are seeing very nice, beautiful and banyan tree. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come, this place Mahaprabhu painted sometimes. Because remember in the past in the same mood of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada. Then I will not take too much time. Then our Maharaj will speak very nicely. Good Premanand.
हिंदी मराठी हिंदी
हरे कृष्ण। अच्छा हुआ मेरे को अंग्रेजी नहीं आता। अभी बनवारा जैसे अंग्रेजी बोलता। हरे कृष्ण जल प्रभुपाद की कोई अब ट्रांसलेशन कर दो। देखो प्रभु वहाँ नहीं